whatever, of course. But don't not slippers. What's my lip gloss? Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's KadaiSelein and welcome to my channel, guys. Obviously it's the first time you guys are being here. I hope you're here to stay. I tend to drop videos like every other week or every week. I'm gonna try because I do work and I have a lot of things, but I want to do this YouTube thing, so I'm going to do it. Period. I'm gonna do it. I intend to do a lot of vlogs, weekly vlogs and so forth. What else? Hair tutorial videos, because I also do it. I did this hairstyle, although I don't like it. I did this hairstyle in the dark. When Jamaica went blank, I'm gonna do this. Yes guys, honestly in the dark, no light. But anyway, but I hope you enjoyed this video. This is my little introduction. It's going to be the first part of my weekend vlog, because I did a little, you will see. So hope you like, comment, subscribe. I don't want to be a chatterbox. I'm gonna get my name. I'm gonna get what kind of video I'm gonna post. What else? Why I started to do YouTube? I'm gonna get that because I feel like it's my passion right now. I just want food, okay? So come with me on this ride. Help me to build this this channel up, please and thank you. I'm grateful for every support. And no matter what, right now I'm like 100 and something subscribers. But anyway, thank you. Hi guys. I'm about to do my ear. Just washed, freshly washed. So I'm gonna blow dry. Alright! Oh my gosh! I want to scratch you when I'm gonna do them. So these are the colors. I'm using like 30 and 4. These two braids. Guys, it's like 47. Let's see how much hours I'm gonna take doing my hair. Okay guys, we got like 6 plaits in already. Alright guys, so light gone. Morning guys, it's the morning and I go up on the beach. I run late, like went away last night. I'm gonna comb this hair in the dark, in the middle of the night. Alright, let's go. Here's my outfit. Guys, we're late. Finished for the coffee here. I not too like it, but you can go on. Hey guys, so it's the next morning. It's Sunday morning. We have church to be at soon because I don't intend to be late. And then after church we have a birthday celebration. It's my cousin's birthday, and so I will be doing a get ready with me. So yeah, I need to finish that TikTok. So yeah guys, let's go guys. So I am after church, late as a bat. I'm gonna want late, 10 something. Anyways, this is my little outfit. So you guys, I'll see you guys when I'm back, getting ready for the birthday celebration. Cute approach. Hey guys, so I've been back from church for a couple hours now, and it's about that time to get ready. Now I want to do my eyelashes. Guys, look here. Look at my eyebrow them. Dear. But I try do something, right? Stay with me now. But I try do something and something happened. So I am going to do my eyelashes, makeup, get ready. So come on, let's go. Oh yeah, of course. Mega beard people. Gosh. Anyways, let's do this. Let's go. Alright guys, so these are the lashes. Them not do good. And right now we don't have the time or the patience to fix anything we need to get ready on the makeup. You understand me? So the makeup are gonna bring off the lashes. So anyways, let's get right on that, because we're running late. Around the event starts 6 and it's around past 6 now. But anyways, let's get this on the road. First, I'm gonna start off with the brow. And yes, I know my room is a bit messy. Those are all over, I know. So
you see me move, you feel the pull. A quiet one that makes you full. You try to act like you're so cool, but I'm the wave you cannot rule. No rush, no fight, just a sway on my side. Your heartbeat's crashing like a rising tide. You think you're steady, but you're open wide. One sway from me and there's no place to hide. Sway, sway my way. Move with me, don't be afraid. Sway, sway my way. Let my body lead the way. My hips confess what lips don't say. A silent dance that makes you stay. You lose your words, you lose your day. You're tangled up and that's okay. Just a sway on my side. Your heartbeat's crashing like a rising tide. You think you're steady, but you're open wide. One sway from me and there's no place to hide.
yeah, boy.
No rush, no fight, just a sway on my side. Your heartbeat's crashing like a rising tide. You think you're steady, but you're open wide. One sway from me and there's no place to hide.
This is it for the brows. One better than one, but hey, we are on time here. So let's get started with the foundation. I mixed 2 foundation. I have mixed these 2, and as I said, this one I finished. So yeah, mix them.
Sway my way. Move with me, don't be afraid. Sway, sway my way. Let my body lead the way. Move with me, don't be afraid. Sway, sway my way. Let my body lead the way. Let my body lead the way. Every breath you take is chasing mine. A rhythm caught in double time. No need to run, no need to climb. Just let my sway relax your mind.
Where's the sponge? Let them fly flat. I went right in that house, man. I'm gonna follow up them, so let them stop for that. My love, you have a patty tea, you have to take out the yellowness out of this. Yeah. Too much yellow, my love. Patty tea. This one. It's smooth, not true? Talk truth, guys. It's smooth. The best concealer down. What I done? This is it. But I like Pro Concealer. Yeah. I have a darker shade that I use for contour. I use this for contour. I do have a contour stick. Like, I have this, but I have this stick. It's like this. This one. I'm gonna brush on wash out a while ago because I love this dough. Oh, wet. I want setting spray this in, guys. I'm gonna wet my brush them with. I'm not gonna catch on to the things then, man. I'm not gonna catch on to them. Just like use the brush first, then use the sponge. That's all I put on my application. And I'm not a makeup artist, but I know how to dab down my face. You see me? Yeah, man, I love to dab down my face. You press it in. Press it in. I turn now, consider now. Oh, I can find some more time. Yeah, prayer. Yeah, prayer. Something come up. Something come up there, guys. We'll leave in there now. Yeah, we'll put it right there. I like a bright under eye. I like a really bright powdery on the eyes, so yeah. What I really do. And I use the darker. Boy, our time now. 7:30. You know me that. What's there go? You talk one shot or what? It's all these two powders that I use under my eye. I have the Fit Me one, and this is the LA Girl Pro powder. This is lovely. So I'll be using this first and this. That one, sit down on this. Wait on it. Anyways, I got my lip. I'm going to do my lip. So this is. And I'm going with my brown pencil now. Yeah, we're getting there. We're so getting there. Anybody wonder what I have on my head? Is a blouse, my love. How is that your business?
You see me move, you feel the pull. A quiet one that makes you full. You try to act like you're so cool.
But I did my lips before I even put on the setting diamond spray. So let's do that now. The Fit Me on my next one. We have to go funny. We need to go put on my clothes now. So this is the makeup look. See you guys when I put on my clothes. I did with my hair. This is the bag. McDonald's slippers. Love these slippers. Alright guys, this is the fit. Yes, a bit revealing, I know. This is me. And the makeup, the finished product. Late, like as always. I'm going to head out right now. So bye guys, see you guys tomorrow, or maybe this is the ending of the vlog or the video, a 2-day video. I don't know guys. Oh, you guys like my, I kind of fixed the ear while we're, and yeah, that's it. Oh, I want to take 2 pictures in. Alright guys, bye. Now maybe video some, I'm maybe video.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. What you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? What you gonna do? Hey!
up face. Oh my God! Don't try to say I'm done and then go right back. Then come on like nothing happened. The person who most likely has the most unread messages. Everybody find for Point to the person most likely to take 100 pictures before posting. Oh my God! Everybody drink if you've ever laughed an egg. Come on. Biggest flirt. Rendezvous and
Reach back home. I think this will be the end of my little video. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys subscribe, comment, share. Please help me, build me up. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.